Hello friends, my name is Dipen and I'm here with my friend Shivam again with another video. We got an amazing response on the last one. We got around like 16 views and we are hoping maybe with this time we can get around 20-25 views. Anyway, let's just get started. So this is the donut I have created where you can see I'm loving this donut, this this is the first time I have created something, learning Blender. So I don't know about you guys, but I am kind of feeling a little bit proud and stuff like that. And this is Shivam's.
Yes friend, this is my donut which I have been created. So as you can see on your screen, it took me around 40 minutes to create this. Yeah, I know it's a long duration to create a donut, but anyway, I would like to tell you why it took me around 40 minutes to create this, because I am doing Blender in my laptop. So my laptop config is too low as required to doing Blender, and facing some Blender problem. So those problems we will discuss in later in this video. But anyway, it is quite good as compared to Dipen donut. No problem, Dipen. I know you can create better than me.
Sure, Shivam. Yeah, I can see that your donut is looking amazing. Awesome work. Claps for you. Anyway, guys, let us know whose donut you think is better in the comments, if anyone is watching.
Here we have created time-lapse video where we discuss about the problem we are facing during learning Blender as beginners. So let's get started.
So this is our time-lapse video where you can see that we have finished the whole thing in 4 minutes. No, actually it took a lot more time. It took me around 27 minutes to just make this donut by myself without going through any of without looking at Blender Guru's video for any kind of help. So but it took a lot. It is a lot of time. Like 27 minutes is a lot of time, but 42 minutes is even more time. That's what Shivam took. You can see it took 42 minutes, and this is early stage. We are still learning, and there are some problems that we are facing, common problems.
Yeah friend, our first problem is navigation. We both are facing that. So navigation is nothing but zooming the object, moving the object, like scaling the object, etc. We are using Blender large too big, but even after some time we get stuck in navigation. So if you are practice more, then you will better to handle the navigation. We are getting much better than before.
Another common problem that we are facing is in sculpting mode. There is a sculpting mode in Blender where you can just play around with your object. You can just make it, you can draw on it, you can shape, you can grab. There are some of the things that you can do in sculpting. You can smooth some of this. So there we are facing a lot of problems, and I think in this mode is going to take a lot of time to get good in this one. But let's see.
Yeah friends, there are many more problems that you will face as beginners, but we make more stuff. I'm sure we will get better.
We are hopeful that we'll get better when we create more stuff, and by next week we'll be done with this donut tutorial. Like I think there's just coffee remaining, and we have finished few videos of that as well, and we'll just finish off with this whole tutorial. And then we are thinking of creating something by ourselves, like using what we have learned from this donut. Maybe we are still discussing. Let us know what do you think we can create after learning donut, if anyone has gone through that tutorial. And also let us know which donut you like better, mine, Depends, or Shivam's. And also please do like and subscribe our channel, and also just leave a comment. We are waiting for our first comment, so anyone watching this, just leave a comment, anything. Okay, see you next week.